Alright guys, welcome to part 2 where I'm going to continue on. In part 1, we attached this correctly with this. There's a reason why this is pointed this way rather than the other way. It's so that when it goes in, it slides in like this, and this is what's going to stop it from opening up. This sort of flattage is what's going to stop it. Now I'm not going to do it because obviously that's what I did last time. And I'm trying not to do the same thing again. Trying hard. It's a good idea. Now this thing here goes like that. So let's see if that's true. Question is, do I want to put it this way, like this? Or do I want to put it the other way, like that? I think theoretically you want the screws to be inside so that if somebody's trying to manhandle the door from the outside, you can still get to these, but
Likey